Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. In this video, we will see how we can clear the browsing history from Google Chrome completely. So at first we need to open Google Chrome browser. Once you open, then you will see at the top right corner there is a three dot. Okay, we just need to click here. Once you click here, this type of menu will be appeared. So our target was to clear the browsing history from Chrome. So we have to go the history tab, or I mean history menu. Okay, once you move your cursor on top of the history menu, then it will pop up this type of another menu. So from here we have to click on history. Okay, if we click history, then a new window will be appeared. But this history can be also opened by pressing some shortcut. The shortcut is Ctrl plus H. So whenever you need to clear the history, you can press Ctrl plus H key altogether instead of going this three dot and then history and history. Okay, it will all the same. Okay, so if you don't remember the shortcut, then this is the approach. Otherwise, you can use this shortcut to open the history. So I'm going to click this history. So once I click the history, then this type of window will be appeared in your Chrome. Now we need to clear the entire thing. I see there are lots of things are there in my history. Okay, so I want to clear. So to clear the browsing history, we have to come this option, clear browsing data. It is located like left side of your browser. Okay, so here there is a link, clear browsing data and icon. Just click anywhere on top of it, and then it will pop up a new menu. Okay, so you will see this type of menu or window, and then you are able to delete from here. But before going, just see there are two options. One is basic and is advanced. So basic means it will clear like basic things, and advanced means it will clear many things like password, cache, cookie, download history, everything. So if you want to delete everything, then come to this tab advanced, and from there we have to choose the time. So here there are many options are there, like last hour it will clear like 1 hour of history, everything. Last 24 hours, this means it will clear only for one day, 7 days, 4 weeks, and all time. So if you want to clear only 1 hour data or history, then we have to choose this option. But I am interested to clear entire thing, so I'm going to choose this option, all time. Once you select this, then you will see all time is selected under time range. Okay, and from here you can choose whatever you need. So by default option is fine, and if you want to delete the password, you can also choose this option. Okay, once you customize this thing, then you have to click on this button, clear data. So I'm going to hit clear data, and then it will start cleaning everything. It will take few seconds to 1 minute or 2 minutes. So uh, please wait till it completely cleans. Don't close the browser. If you try to close the browser, the history will not be deleted properly or completely. So wait till it is finished. Sometimes it may take like 3 minutes or 2 minutes or 5 minutes also. It depends how often you clear the history. Once the history is cleared successfully, then the history tab or window will be closed automatically, and you will be prompted this type of thing. Now your browser history is completely cleaned. So in this way, you can easily clear the browsing history from Google Chrome. If you like the video or this video is useful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.